They are pretty banged up. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now on the work with this beautiful G35, but alive as well. But today is a continuation of the stud problem that I have on this G, which they're all stripped out. But you can see I have a haircut, cleaned up nice, tonight. Now the left side, I have no idea how they are, but the right side, they're definitely bad. I put a picture up on my Instagram. I got brand new studs. I got brand new steel lug nuts. Let's go look at that real quick. So these are the puppies that I got. These are supposed to be heavy duty steel, but these are really good quality. Like you see it here, like this ring is supposed to spin so you don't scrape the wheel inside. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good invention. It tells you a lot. And these things, you can also take it out and paint them the color that you want. These are the studs. These are Dormans, and I got them on Amazon. Right here, brand new, 1.25. I got all of this for like $8 in Amazon. In AutoZone, it was $3 each. So the entire job was gonna cost me $60, but because I ordered it from Amazon, it will only cost me $16. How about that? And by the way, the problem that I had last time was two problems. One, I didn't know how bad stripped the studs were from the wrong lug nuts being used. Those lug nuts were 1.50 and the studs on these G's 1.25. So I called my brother up and asked him what was going on, and then he told me that when you use the wrong size threads at the beginning, it will go in because it's like very fine detail of a difference, but once the threads go in even deeper, it's gonna catch on quicker and not tighten the wheel because it's the wrong size. And as you put more thread, the difference becomes larger and larger and larger. So that was a problem. I did two mistakes. You live and you learn. Let's get this thing fixed before it gets nighttime. So this is the condition that they are in, just in case I didn't put it correctly. This is really stripped at the beginning. This is okay, but yeah, I think it's okay. This one is bad. This one is bad. And this one seems okay. So you got like at least three of them bad. So this is the condition with this. As you guys may or may not know, you want to take out the caliper. You need to jack the car up because this thing is in the middle. So I had to cut the video out. One, because the battery died. This is my last battery. But because this thing gave me so much trouble. These two bolts right here. This is the top one. It doesn't seem to be bad, but I think it was seized on there. And it did not want to come out. This is the bottom one, which has some debris or something. And this one was hard as well. So finally the caliper is off, but then you have to take this thing out. I just raised it up, give me enough clearance, and this thing is shot. I have no brakes. This is like in the metal. Look at that, and it's rusty. Came right off. It's not seized, and that's what's important. Let me blast them with PB Blaster. Actually, look, this is here's what happened. I took all of them out already, but in order for me to do make this thing spin, what I did was I lifted the other side of the car with the jack, and then I put it in drive so it could move this thing. But it made a horrible ass sound, like and then I turned it off and I came over here and I found this on the floor. So I don't have no idea what the hell is this. I'm guessing it's part of the assembly here, because there's something loose here that I don't know what was supposed to be there. If you guys could tell me, that would be a great of help. But see, that thing is loose there. I'm guessing that it was supposed to be here somehow, and it was supposed to be inside there. But I think I'm gonna have to buy the whole entire assembly and change it out, which I don't mind, because this is gonna be for the Vader anyway. But this thing is a dud, I'm guessing. And this thing is definitely a dud because it came out of the socket for some reason. I don't know if that's normal. Can I push it back in and take out the liquids and put everything like it was? I don't know. But to put this thing on, I bought this kit right here that is good for cars and trucks. The smaller one's for the car, the big one is for the trucks. I know you could do it with like bolts and washers, but I wanted to make sure I did a good job, so yeah, I got this. Let's go and try it out. Okay, so that is it. This was the purpose. All of them are flushed. What I did was, since the Infiniti has a little stump here and I can't really see if it's flushed like with the metal, I stopped as soon as I didn't see no movement from the stud. So all of them are flushed. All of them, I can move it up. But this thing is now messed up, which I figure something went wrong with the differential, because I put it in drive and it doesn't want to move nowhere. Task is done. I did what I was supposed to do, and I have all my tools on the floor. But yeah, these are the studs right here. They're pretty banged up. These things just came off. I don't know if you could put that on or what, but the bottom one broke off, and this thing came off out of the assembly, so I don't know what the hell is that. If you guys can help me out on this, I would gladly appreciate it. But yeah, I'm not perfect. I'm just an average Lewis working on a car without a garage. Okay, for the dashboard, this is what it says. Do not mind the windshield sensor problem. That's very common on these cars. But it says the door's open, the brakes is on, which they're not, and the VDC is off, which is not, and the slip is on for some reason. So I'm guessing the problem that happened really has to do with the emergency brake or the entire assembly. So if you guys have any idea as to what it could be, please let me know in the comment section down below. But anyway, it's getting late and I have all my tools in the floor, and it's getting cold too, and the car don't have any brakes. and I only did one wheel, which I'm proud of because I learned a lot of stuff, but we also broke a lot of stuff. So, by the way, if you enjoyed this type of content, please give me a like of this video, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. Until then, guys, God bless. So I put it in there, I put the kit on there, I put some pressure, I open up the bleeder valve, and nothing came out.